Hi guys, this is Kim Martinez from University of Southeastern Philippines, taking up Bachelor of Science in Computer Technology. My video is all about simulation of my project in Fusion 360. My project is ballpen with correction tape and laser pointer and spying camera.
I got it, the note you gave me when you left. Still got it, lying exactly where you left it. Oh, my heart broke in two, there was no super glue to mend it. Yeah. Oh, I was stuck on you, didn't know how to end it. Yeah. You were my fifth, fourth, or third. Second's not the word. You were my first, my first true love. Sad to say, to this very day, you're still the one I'm thinking of. 'Cause you're my first true love. It's over. I still don't even know why we're over. And lately, oh lately, I've had those questions on my mind. Oh, there was no such cure. I had to endure your letter. The only thing that goes is my friend saying I can do better. Yeah. You were my fifth, fourth, or third. Second's not the word. You were my first, my first true love. Sad to say, to this very day, you're still the one I'm thinking of. 'Cause you're